Welcome to a new era of earning potential with ChatGPT, an advanced AI-powered chatbot. This revolutionary tool has transformed the way businesses interact with their customers, bringing a world of opportunities right at your fingertips. Imagine having a stable monthly income, all thanks to the capabilities of ChatGPT. This isn't just a dream, but a reality that's within your reach. This chatbot not only enhances customer interactions, but also opens up avenues for consistent earnings and financial security. So let's dive into how you can tap into this potential and create a sustainable source of income. The first step to building a stable income with ChatGPT is identifying lucrative opportunities. The beauty of ChatGPT lies in its versatility. It's not industry-specific, but rather it's a tool that can be integrated across various sectors to enhance efficiency and customer interactions. For instance, let's consider the customer service sector. Businesses have successfully integrated ChatGPT to handle routine queries, freeing up their human counterparts to tackle more complex issues. This symbiosis not only improves efficiency, but also boosts customer satisfaction. Similarly, in the e-commerce industry, ChatGPT can be utilized to provide tailored product recommendations based on customer preferences, thereby driving sales. In the realm of content creation, it can assist in drafting articles, editing content, and even brainstorming creative ideas. But it doesn't stop there. The opportunities are as vast as your imagination. Whether you're in marketing, healthcare, education, or even entertainment, there's a way to harness the power of ChatGPT. Remember, the key is to find areas in your field where automation and AI can bring value. Once you've identified these opportunities, it's time to create scalable services. Creating scalable services with ChatGPT is your next step towards financial security. Let's delve into this fascinating aspect. When we talk about scalability, we're referring to the capacity of your services to handle growing amounts of work and its potential to be enlarged to accommodate that growth. With ChatGPT, scalability becomes a breeze. This advanced AI-powered chatbot can handle an increasing number of inquiries without compromising on the quality of customer interactions. Now let's shift gears and talk about streamlining workflows. Streamlining isn't just about making your tasks easier, it's about making your entire operation more efficient. It's about eliminating unnecessary steps, automating repetitive tasks, and ensuring that every process is as smooth and efficient as possible. By integrating ChatGPT into your business processes, you can automate customer interactions, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. And there's more. Streamlined workflows lead to increased productivity. They reduce the chances of errors and rework, saving you precious time and resources. Plus, they leave you with more time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and enhancing customer satisfaction. With your services in place and your workflow streamlined, you're ready to implement effective marketing and monetization strategies. Scene script. Effective marketing and monetization strategies are key to building a stable income with ChatGPT. Let's start with marketing. You need to make your services known to potential clients. This could take the form of social media promotion, networking, or even word-of-mouth referrals. It's all about raising awareness and generating interest. Remember, every successful campaign starts with a well-defined target audience and a clear message. Next, let's talk about monetization. Monetization isn't just about making money, it's about making your business sustainable. There are various strategies you can employ. You could charge for your services directly, or you could offer a freemium model where basic services are free but advanced features come at a cost. Alternatively, you could use a subscription model, providing continuous value for a regular fee. Finally, let's discuss client relationships. Building strong long-term relationships with your clients is crucial for success. This means not just delivering a great service, but also providing excellent customer support, responding to queries promptly and professionally, and continuously seeking feedback to improve your services. In the world of ChatGPT, where competition is fierce, your relationships with your clients can be your greatest asset. They can lead to repeat business, referrals, and even partnerships. And remember, always measure your performance metrics for continuous improvement. By tracking your progress, you can identify what's working, what's not, and make informed decisions to grow your business. Building a stable income with ChatGPT is not just a possibility, it's a reality for many. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We started our journey by identifying lucrative opportunities that ChatGPT offers. We then moved on to creating scalable services, which are key to generating a consistent income. Streamlining workflows came next, a crucial step to ensure efficiency and productivity in our operations. We also delved into marketing and monetization strategies, which are pivotal in attracting and retaining clients, thereby boosting earnings. Let's not forget the importance of building and fostering client relationships. Remember, satisfied customers are the biggest advocates for your services, and they can significantly contribute to your financial stability. To wrap it all up, it's clear that ChatGPT is not just an AI-powered chatbot. It's a game changer, a tool that can revolutionize the way you do business and help you create a stable source of income. With the right approach and strategies, ChatGPT can become your sustainable source of income, providing you with consistent earnings and financial security.